How to create a desktop shortcut to a web page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with how to easily let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and go to any website you want to create shortcut of. I've simply searched google.com. Now what you need to do is go to the search bar at the top, double click on it, and it will select everything. After that, hold it with your mouse and drag it in your display, and it will create shortcut of that web page. You can simply click on the shortcut and it will open that page. You can do of any web page. As you can see, I have searched YouTube, simply drag it as shown on the screen and you're good to go. This is how to create a desktop shortcut to a web page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.